Why keep paying rent when you could build equity in your own home? At Poets Walk in Whitsett, affordable luxury meets everyday convenience. The neighborhood is designed for simple living and fun. Relax by the swimming pool, enjoy weekends at the cabana, take your pup to the dog park, or unwind in one of our several pocket parks. With high-speed internet and cable TV, professional lawn care, and trash and recycling all included in your HOA, you'll free up your time and your budget for what matters most. Here you'll find stylish townhomes built for comfort and quality. Each home is ENERGY STAR certified, giving you lower utility bills and a space that feels just right year-round. Step inside your new home and discover bright, open layouts, flexible living spaces, and modern finishes made for today's lifestyle. The benefits of ownership speak for themselves. No pet fees, plenty of storage, your own garage parking, backyard spaces that make memories, and no more unexpected rent increases. This is the freedom and stability you've been waiting for. Located right on NC 61, Poets Walk puts you in the middle of it all. Just minutes from Highway 70 and I-40, commuting is a breeze. Elon University is less than 10 minutes away, and the heart of Burlington is a short 10-minute drive. And Alamance Crossing and Tanger outlets are right around the corner when it's time to shop and save. Even downtown Greensboro is just a quick drive away, giving you endless options for dining, entertainment, and more. Poets Walk brings it all together: affordability, luxury, convenience, and a community that feels like home. So why rent when you can own? The keys to your future are waiting here. Welcome to Poets Walk.